STEM Connections, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, brought to you by Mountain Lake PBS. Growing young scientists one experiment at a time.
Hi, I'm Lily.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're doing the experiment Dancing Raisins.
And we're going to make the raisins dance.
Special thanks to the members of Plattsburgh State Kappa Delta Pi, the Plattsburgh State Education Program, Plattsburgh State Professor Karen Larkin, Miss Sue Bleeker, and the third grade students from Seton Academy.
So, does anyone know what a reaction is?
Yes.
Yes.
What is it?
Something that makes something go boom.
Yes, it's when two molecules interact and cause something to happen. So when the chemicals are mixed together, it causes a change, and it goes boom.
And today we're going to do an experiment, and we're going to cause a reaction, and it's going to be called Dancing Raisins.
Here is a list of the things you will need. Hey kids, remember that an adult always needs to help you with these experiments.
We are going to have a cup of water, and we are going to add baking soda to it. What do you think will happen?
It'll foam up and cause a change into the water.
You think this is going to cause a reaction? All right, let's see.
Get off fizzy.
You see any bubbles?
Look closer. Do you see anything happening?
Yes,
it's like fogging up.
All right, who wants to help me by adding raisins?
Me.
Okay, put the raisins in here. One at a time, sure. Ooh, what's it doing? Get close. Are there any bubbles?
Yes. Yeah. I know what's happening. The raisins, the molecules are mixing in with the air on in the baking soda and going into the raisins to puff them up.
But are the raisins dancing?
No.
No. So that means there's no reaction. So want to try something else and see if we can get a reaction?
Vinegar.
Yes. Vinegar. You're smart.
Pour some vinegar.
Alright, what do you think is going to happen when I add the baking soda?
It'll get all fizzy. Like boom.
Get all fizzy?
It'll get fizzy.
I knew it boomed.
Yes, I knew it was going to get fizzy.
Look, so what are these? Bubbles, right? So what do you think is going to happen when we add the raisins?
It's going to go
That's
really
okay.
high.
Let's see what happens. Here, I'm going to give you all a couple of raisins and you all can do it.
Cool.
There you go.
Let's do it when everybody's ready.
When everybody's ready. Okay, good plan.
Good job.
You can hear it like the bubbles are.
You can hear it, and look at the raisins. Go ahead, hon.
They're dancing. They're floating.
Are they dancing?
They're flying. They're flying in water.
Well, are they going up and down?
Yeah, they're going up and down and moving side to side.
Awesome.
So do you think a reaction occurred here? Look, which one do you think is a reaction?
Good job. How come?
Because they're
What's
going
on the
up and down,
Good
and
job.
this one, all the baking soda's just rubbing against it and just causing the skin to fall off.
Yes. Rachel, so what's on the raisins here?
Bubbles.
Bubbles, and we know bubbles are gas, so that causes a reaction.
And what do we know about gases? Gases are lighter than water, which makes the raisins go up to the surface because the air bubbles attract to the raisins. And that makes them kind of like a life preserver. Have you worn a life preserver before?
Yes.
Like a life jacket? So that makes the raisins flow up. But what makes them fall down? Well, after they get to the surface, the air bubbles go into the air, and then the raisins no longer have their life preserver, so it goes back down.
Scientists, this is what we've learned today. The vinegar, which is the acid, and the baking soda, which is the base, cause the chemical reaction which releases CO2 gas, making the raisins bop up and down. Air bubbles are much lighter than the liquid, and they act like little life jackets bringing the raisins to the surface. Who knew raisins, baking soda, and vinegar could be so much fun to mix? Wasn't that so cool? Want to do more? Go to our website mountainlake.org for more experiments.